Let's see how Saral Stock saves you efforts in watchlist management and money in portfolio. Rules configured by you help you prevent repeating your investment mistakes and help you track important technical parameters of the stock or the market. This rule-based analysis suggests course of action you should take, such as buy more, reduce, or sell. For example, when MACD goes below zero line and your investment has fallen, it will warn you to sell the stock. Also, when the overall market index is falling or market is in turmoil, it suggests you to reduce your holding. Going against market is one major reason for losses in investments. In the watchlist module, you'll see how to use built-in watch lists such as past purchases or long or short-term lists, as well as creating your own watch list to track multiple stocks and use rule-based analysis for your decision. The portfolio page shows you all the information needed for you to manage your portfolio effectively. On the top part of the page, you are seeing the indices, Sensex, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and also S&P 500. The analysis below the indices is being done by the rules set by the user, by you. The rules feature is explained in a separate video. This elaborates on how to set those rules and also the notes you see below those notes, below the stocks. There's a notes section where you can make short notes to yourself regarding a specific stock. The summary section shows you portfolio breakdown for quick analysis, which is your portfolio, current value, purchase value, etc. And the amount you will lose if you sell all losing stocks. Here are the stocks in the portfolio with analysis of each stock given right below it. This gives you an example of how to quickly analyze a stock and make a decision. For example, analysis of Honeywell Automation shows that MACD for this stock has gone below the zero line, and also the price is looking in a downward trend. So you may want to sell that stock as per the rules set by the user in the rules section. There might be some stocks you would want to purchase anytime soon as the indicators. The stock trend for the stocks has 4 lines: the MACD line, the daily close, the weekly close, and the signal line. This gives you an easy way to visually analyze how the stock has been performing for you in your specific portfolio. For example, in this Honeywell Automation, the downward trend on a weekly basis, and there is no trend on a daily basis. Whereas the graph for alkylamines shows a growing trend for both. Similarly, Persistent Systems also shows a growth part. The number of days you're holding the stock is here, and it's also for you to decide how long you want to hold the stock. You could sell the stock if it has not moved over the last few days. Now let's look at the percentage annual growth, or CAGR. If the trend were to continue for an entire year, this is how your stock would look like. For example, this stock will lose about 64% of the money at the current rate, whereas in this case, you see a 2000% growth, or in other words, 20 times growth in a year. So this can be a comparing trends easily for multiple stocks to get a feel for the portfolio at a glance. Persistent in about 4 days has risen by about 3%. So in a year's time frame, it will grow by a certain percentage. There's a portion at the bottom here where you can put in the future orders. So you can create your own order by adding in stocks. When the market opens tomorrow, those orders can be placed if you are an Upstocks customer. You can log into your Upstocks account by clicking on the blue button, and once logged in, once in the morning, you can place the orders for any of these stocks directly to your Upstocks account. You can place the orders for a specific stock or a group of stocks to be bought. For example, you can buy Infosys, an idea, and if any of these stocks starts to trend and reach a set price, that stock will be bought and the order for other stock will not be placed. So one stock gets bought and the other order gets cancelled. That's how easy way you can manage your portfolio as well as add to your new stock. Now, how are the rules set and how do they help you? The rules here are essentially for each stock or portfolio value. You can set rules for individual stocks as well. This rule says any stock in my portfolio that has gone up from the 50 days moving average by 30%, and hence we should not buy. You can also do a combinational rule. For example, this rule says if any stock in the portfolio has gone up by 5% or more and whose volume also has grown by 20% since yesterday, you should buy more as there is a demand on the stock. This can be set in the green color message, and when it gets triggered, it will show you on your portfolio page. This gives you an easy way to manage your watch list and quickly identify a stock without spending too much time. You have the rules that trigger the alerts here, and then the chart similar to what you see in portfolio page. This shows that what price you started watching the stock at what is the current price, and what is the maximum price of that stock while you're watching it, its percent annual growth, and a similar measure that you saw in portfolio page. The user can use built-in watch lists and also create their own. The built-in lists include reject list for excluding certain stocks in your selection, so they never get selected in any criteria. Auto-arrayed lists get updated daily by a set number of stocks defined in the settings page for a specific scan. Past purchase list gets updated with stocks when they are removed from the portfolio. And a short-term list gives you a way to categorize the stocks for a very short-term period. Then there's a shared watch list. The shared watch list is where you can collaborate with your friends. For example, this watch list is shared by 3 people, and there are 0 updates in the last 2 days in this shared watch list. When somebody in the group modifies the stock, you'll get a message next to the stock, and then you can discuss and analyze whether this stock is worth buying